One of the most common threads I go through with clients is whether or not their vehicle is already tinted. If you drive a truck, a minivan, a crossover SUV, essentially they're called multi-passenger vehicles, anything other than a car. These type of cars come with tinted privacy glass from the manufacturers. So yes, the glass is tinted, but it's not from window film yet. You'll see that it's just a clear, smooth glass all the way to the top. And from the outside, it looks tinted. It's just from a stain in the glass. So we call, a lot of times I'll hear it called factory tinted glass. This comes from the factory like this. When it gets to the dealership, it'll have blank front side windows, and the dealership will typically install tint on just the two fronts. You can tell that you can still kind of see in through the car. So now that there's film on there, you've got the benefit of infrared protection so that you're stopping heat, and you're not getting ultraviolet radiation either, so you're protecting your upholstery, you're stopping the harmful rays from coming through and causing skin cancer and things like that. That's pretty much it. In Arizona, you definitely want film on your car. It's going to help the comfort level in there. With all that extra surface area of glass and the heat coming through in the summertime, adding film is a great way to stop it. Give us a call for an estimate.